With automation maintaining speed and consistency, the production line advances toward its final precision manufacturing stages. Every production batch undergoes a final inspection before receiving approval for distribution. Every United States banknote begins with carefully selected cotton and linen fibers that form the foundation of America's currency. Each shipment undergoes strict inspection to ensure only the highest quality fibers enter production.
The compressed raw fibers are carefully separated to prepare them for precise blending. With the raw fibers perfectly blended, the journey toward producing secure United States currency officially begins. Inside the secure facility, sealed transport systems protect every fiber as it advances toward paper production. Automated storage hoppers deliver a precisely controlled flow of fibers for the next manufacturing stage. Efficient internal logistics keep every production line supplied without compromising security or precision. Every component is now in place as the raw fibers enter the first stage of transformation into United States currency paper. Every stage of currency production begins inside one of the world's most secure manufacturing environments. Strict security controls ensure that every shipment entering the facility is fully documented and authorized. Every approved shipment is carefully transferred into the production system without interrupting the continuous workflow. With inspection complete, the carefully protected raw materials are ready to begin the first processing operations. Purified water removes fine contaminants, ensuring the fibers meet the demanding standards required for secure currency paper. Carefully controlled moisture levels prepare the cleaned fibers for accurate sorting and uniform processing. Automated sorting creates a consistent fiber blend, essential for producing durable United States currency paper. After cleaning and sorting, the prepared fibers are ready to begin their transformation into the specialized paper used for United States currency. The cleaned fibers are transformed into a carefully controlled pulp that forms the foundation of secure currency paper. Refining enhances the fiber structure, creating the strength and durability expected from every banknote. Continuous mixing ensures every section of the pulp maintains identical quality before paper formation begins. With the pulp fully prepared, the manufacturing process reaches the stage where currency paper begins to take shape. Here, millions of individual fibers unite to form the first continuous sheet of United States currency paper. Powerful press systems strengthen the paper while preserving its uniform structure and integrity. Controlled drying removes the remaining moisture, creating the strength required for the next production stage. With the paper fully formed and wound into master reels, it is ready for the highly controlled printing process that gives every banknote its identity. Every master reel is precisely aligned before entering the highly controlled production system. Automated production systems maintain consistent movement and alignment throughout the manufacturing process. Continuous monitoring ensures every stage operates within tightly controlled manufacturing parameters. With automation maintaining speed and consistency, the production line advances toward its final precision manufacturing stages. Precision finishing creates a consistent surface before the final quality verification stage. Continuous inspection helps maintain consistent manufacturing standards throughout the production process. Precision cutting prepares each finished section for its final inspection before packaging. The completed production stage now moves into comprehensive quality assurance before final packaging and distribution. Every production batch undergoes a final inspection before receiving approval for distribution.
Standardized testing confirms that every production batch meets strict manufacturing specifications.
Once quality verification is complete, approved production continues to the final packaging stage. After passing every quality requirement, the finished production is ready for secure packaging and distribution. Automated packaging prepares each approved production batch for secure storage and transportation. Organized warehouse operations ensure every approved shipment is stored and tracked with precision. After final preparation, the finished production leaves the facility through a carefully managed distribution process. And this is how modern factories manage large-scale, secure production workflows from beginning to end.